Welcome. In this video, I'll show how you can make text bigger on Android. So at the start, you will need to launch the Settings app. Next, find and enter the display category, or on some devices it will be named as display and brightness or something along those lines. Anyway, the option or the adjustment that you should be looking for on the display page is called, usually once again, display size and text. Sometimes it is called font size, and sometimes it will be called as increase system font or text size or something along those lines. On this configuration page, you will find the font size adjustment. So use it to increase your font to whatever size you'd like to, or you'll be satisfied with. And that's it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye-bye.